Ded Diwrnod Diddorol, Mynediad. Taith M1, Day 1 Navigation. Heddiw, Dach chi'n mynd I Gonwy, I weld Castell Conwy, Plas Mawr, a Waliau Conwy. Today you will be visiting the town of Conwy and seeing Conwy Castle, Plas Mawr, and the town walls, 3 different areas under the care of Cadw. Dach chi'n gyrru I Gonwy? Y lle gorau I barcio ydy maes parcio Morfa Bach. If you're driving to Conwy, the best place to park is in Morfa Bach car park, LL32 8FZ. It is then a short walk up the hill to the train station and main bus stop, where you will arrive if you're using public transport. Ewch drwy'r twnnel. From the main car park, walk through this underpass. Ewch I fyny'r grisiau. Walk up the steps or slope. Go through the gateway past the visitor centre to the bus stop by the pedestrian crossing. Cerddwch i'r harbwr. Walk down the main high street. You will pass by Plas Mawr on your left, which you will visit later in the day. Ewch o dan drwy'r. At the very bottom of the high street, walk through the gateway to arrive at the harbour. Edrychwch ar Castell Conwy. Over the water and slightly to the left is the site of Conwy Castle. At this point there is a short YouTube clip about Conwy Castle and a quiz to do. Trowch i'r dde. Edrychwch ar Castell Conwy. Next, turn to your right and walk towards the castle, then over the road bridge on the pavement. Ewch dros y bont. Carry on over the bridge until you reach a safe place to cross the road. Ewch dros yr hen bont grog. Walk back towards the castle over the suspension bridge. Here there is an activity to complete about Edward. Ewch I ochr dde'r castell. Walk down the right-hand side of the castle and cross the road to the left of the roundabout. Canolfan ymwelwyr Castell Conwy. Once you are at the castle visitor centre, go up the steps, under the bridge that gives access to the castle, and round the visitor centre to get to the castle entrance. You will need to pay for entry if you're not a member of Cadw. Once inside, there is a 10 things to find scavenger hunt, as well as the opportunity to look at all the interpretation information displays in the castle. Amser cinio. When you have left the castle, there is a group conversation task, talking about what you would like to eat for lunch and to help you decide, yn Gymraeg, where you are going to eat. Cerdded ar drwy'r. Next you can walk the short length of the castle walls, then go down the alleyway at the left of the Tourist Information Centre into St Mary's Churchyard. Eglwys Santes Mawr. The church might be open for you to visit. In the churchyard, there is the next activity for you to access. A short story from the Mabinogion about Pwyll and Rhiannon to watch on YouTube, and questions about the story to answer. Ewch I Plas Mawr. Walk round the churchyard and leave via the alleyway at the opposite side of the churchyard. Head towards the main high street. Plas Mawr. Walk up the high street to Plas Mawr. You will need to pay for entry if you're not a member of Cadw. There are activities to complete in Plas Mawr about the daily lives of the people who lived there. Ewch i'r orsaf ac wedyn ar y waliau. From Plas Mawr, head up the high street towards the train station and onto the platform for trains to Bangor and Holyhead. At the end of the platform, you will see steps on the town walls. Go up onto the town walls to walk round 3/4 of the town, ending near the harbour. Whilst walking the walls, take the opportunity to stop where there is a good view and complete the activity talking about the weather. Dewch I lawr o fyny'r dref. When you reach the steps at the end of the town walls, go down. At the road, turn right and right again and follow the minor road round and back down to the harbour under the town walls. Yn ôl wrth yr harbwr. Anfonwch cerdyn post. You will come out onto the harbour through the gateway at the back of the picture. Walk past the smallest house. Buy a postcard from here if possible. Write the postcard using the provided activity and send it to your Welsh tutor or a Welsh-speaking friend. Ewch yn ôl i'r car. After writing the postcard, turn right and walk up the high street towards the station. There is a postbox at the top of the high street. Amser mynd adre a gwneud eich gwaith cartref. At the top of the high street, turn left and head back towards the car park where you started your day. When you arrive home, complete the final quiz to see how your Welsh has improved and the feedback form about the day. When you have recovered from the day, there is a more open activity for you to do. This activity asks you to use what you have learnt during the day, and you can ask your class tutor to check your work. Llinell amser. All of the different activities have given you an important date. These can now be added to your timeline. Complete all 10 days at the different places to complete your timeline of Welsh history.